Welcome to my science club, where curiosity turns into cool science magic.
Hey there, it's Johan. Today's experiment is called Magic Milk Experiment. Yes, we're gonna make milk dance with just one tiny drop of dish soap. So let's get started. For this experiment, we need whole milk, food colors, dish soap, cotton swabs, and a shallow plate. That's it. Just 5 simple ingredients. Okay, so here's how it goes. First, you pour enough milk into the plate and then add a few drops of food coloring. Then you take the cotton swab and dip it into the dish soap. Then you take the soapy cotton swab and then gently dip it into the milk. Ready? Let's go. Whoa, look at that! The colors are racing away! Here's another splash of colors. Woohoo! Now let's take a look at the science behind this experiment.
Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're decoding the actual science behind that amazing magic dancing milk trick.
Okay, let's dive right into this. How exactly does a tiny drop of dish soap make colors dance?
You see, milk isn't just one liquid. It's this hidden mixture of water, proteins, and tiny fat droplets.
The very top actually acts like a thin, stretchy skin. Scientists call this cool feature surface tension.
And because of that stretchy skin, the drops of food coloring just sit right where we put them. But wait, what happens the exact second our magic ingredient, the dish soap, touches the milk?
Boom! It launches a 3-step attack, grabbing the fat, breaking the surface tension, and pulling the liquid.
Basically, the soap races across the milk, desperately hunting for more tiny fat molecules to grab onto.
As the soap furiously spreads out, it pulls the liquid and all that food coloring right with it.
Watch closely. This rapid, furious movement creates those massive, totally beautiful and colorful waves.
That microscopic hunt for fat throws the whole liquid into these high-energy, absolutely amazing spirals. But why does it stop? Well, the reaction slows down when soap attaches to most of the fat. So, the crucial point is, when every last bit of fat is caught, the dance finally ends.
Which kind of makes me wonder what other amazing, invisible scientific magic is hiding right in your kitchen.